Acts chapter 9. As all these things dey happen, Saul still dey tell the disciples say he go kill them. He go meet the high priest, come take permission to take go Damascus, so that if he see anybody wey dey follow Jesus Christ wey be the way, whether na man or woman, he go arrest them come Jerusalem. As he dey go, one light from heaven come shine around where he dey. He fall for ground, come hear one voice wey call him name.
Saul, Saul, wetin make you dey punish me?
So he answer,
Oga, na who dey talk so?
The voice answer am,
I be Jesus Christ wey you dey punish. Now, make you get up, go inside the town, and dem go tell you wetin you go do.
the men wey dey follow am travel surprise dey look because dem hear voice dey talk but dem no see anybody. So Saul get up from ground, him eye open but he no dey see. Him friends hold him hand come escort am enter Damascus. He no see at all for 3 days, and for that time he no chop or drink anything. That time he get one disciple for Damascus and him name na Ananias. God call am for inside vision.
Ananias.
He come answer.
Na me be this, Oga.
God come tell am,
Get up, make you go the street wey dem dey call Straight. And when you reach Judas house wey dey there, make you look for one man, him name na Saul, and he come from Tarsus. You go meet am dey pray for there. I don show am for vision say one man wey dem dey call Ananias go come meet am, and he go put am for him head, pray for am, make he for fit see again.
but Ananias answer,
Oga, many people don tell me about this man and all the wicked things wey he don do to your people for Jerusalem. He even collect letter from the priest Oga dem, wey he go take cash and throw people wey believe you for prison.
but God tell Ananias,
Make you go meet am, because I don choose am, make he carry my name to Gentile people, kings, and all Israel people. True, true, I go show am how he go suffer because of my name.
So Ananias go the house, and when he enter, he put him hand for Saul head, come say,
Brother Saul, the Oga wey him show himself to you for road when you dey come here, na him send me come meet you, so that you go fit see again, come receive the Holy Spirit.
At once, something wey be like fish scale fall comot from Saul eye, and he come dey see. He get up and they come baptize am. After he chop finish, him body come strong again. At once, he come start to dey preach for the synagogue say Jesus Christ na God pikin. Everybody wey hear am come dey surprise, dey ask themselves say,
Dis no be the man wey dey kill people wey believe Jesus Christ. We think say he come here come arrest people, carry go give the priest oga dem.
but Saul still dey preach with power. E dey show say na Jesus Christ be the Messiah, and the Jew people wey dey for Damascus no fit answer am. After some days, the Jew people come dey plan to kill am, but Saul hear wetin dem dey plan. Some people dey watch for the town gate day and night make dem for fit kill am when dem see am. But one night, the people wey dey follow Saul come put am for basket, drop am down small small from one small window wey dey near the town fence. When he reach Jerusalem, he come try to join the disciples, but dem dey fear am because dem no believe say he don be Jesus Christ disciple. So Barnabas take Saul go meet the apostles. Then he tell them how Saul take see Jesus Christ for vision when he dey go Damascus, and how he begin dey preach with boldness about Jesus Christ. Saul stay and waka with them for Jerusalem, and he dey talk with boldness about Jesus Christ. He begin dey talk and argue with the Jew people wey dey speak Greek, but some people come dey try to kill am. When the brothers know about wetin dem dey plan, they come take am go Caesarea, and from there they send am go Tarsus. That time, the church wey dey Judea, Galilee and Samaria get rest, and this come make them strong as dem dey stay together, dey worship God with all their heart, and as the Holy Spirit dey talk to them. So people wey dey the church come dey plenty more. Peter dey travel from one place go another, and he still go where the believers dey for Lydia. He come meet one man for there, him name na Ananias, wey no fit waka since when he be 8 years. Peter come tell am,
Aeneas, Jesus Christ wey be the Messiah wan heal you now. So make you stand up, carry your bed.
At once, he gets up come carry him bed. All the people wey dey Lydda and Sharon see wetin happen and dem come begin follow Jesus Christ. One woman dey for Joppa wey be Jesus Christ disciple, and im name na Tabitha, wey mean Dorcas for Greek language. E dey do good things and dey help poor people. E sick and e come die. When the people don wash im dead body, dem come carry am put for one room for upstairs, because Lydda dey near Joppa. So when the disciples hear say Peter dey there, dem come send 2 men go call am say,
Make you come meet us at once.
so Peter get up follow dem, and when e reach there, dem come take am go the room for up. All the women wey their husband don die stand near Peter dey cry and dey show am all the dress wey Dorcas make for dem when e dey with dem. But Peter drive all of them go outside. Then he kneel down come pray. He turn face the dead body come say,
Tabitha, get up.
na the woman open him eye, and when he see Peter, he come sit down. Peter call hold him hand stand up. Then he call the believers and all the women wey their husband don die, and they come give the woman to them. When everybody for Joppa hear this thing wey happen, many of them come believe Jesus Christ. Peter come stay for Joppa for many days with one man wey dem dey call Simon, wey dey do leather work.